The Ajie Umueri Chief Nnazaba Uchenna has held the 2024 Ogugu Igbo Cultural Festival. The cultural festival, lined up with 4 days activities held at Obuga, Manoma, Neyi, Umueri, attracted Igbo traditionalists from within and outside the community. Our correspondent, Queen Anibogo, fired the report.
Ogugu, also known as Igbo, is one of the oldest surviving Igbo cultural festivals in Igbo land, particularly in Umueri, heralding the beginning of the year for Ndi Igbo. The beginning of the year for Ndi Igbo starts from February, and during the cultural festival, the priest of Aro, Ajie Uchenna, through divinations, tells Igbo communities and Ndi Igbo in general what the year has in stock for them and how they can navigate through it. At this year's event, various cultural rituals were performed, including the breaking of kola nuts and pouring of libations. The Ajie told communities like Umueri, Nteje, Akweze, Umuoba, Umuezanam, and others what the year holds for them, the prayers they will say, and for Ndi Igbo. He told them to pray that the present situation in Nigeria will not consume them, advising them to be conscious in all their dealings, committing their ways to God. In a lecture, the founder of Njirimara Ndi Igbo, Mazi Chigozie Asomba, spoke at length on how the Igbo culture and traditions are gradually being eroded and called on Ndi Igbo to return back to their roots.
Come January 1st, enwere ife ya eme ka ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo na-asị na arọ ọfọ ha maka na ọ bụrụ arọ ọfọ ha. Ekekele ụwa mesịrị eme ya ebe ogulu anya tata n'ụwa. Igbo agago nke Igbo ga nke atọ ga nke ịtọ nọkọta ọnụ. Ọnwa bụrụ ebe mmiri ya ezobere na Igbo tata n'ụwa ka mmiri biri na Igbo.
In an interview, a cabinet member of Ajie priesthood, Chief Joseph Anikbe, described the Ogugu as a yearly festival very dear to them, where they come to find how the new Igbo year will pan out. While another indigene of Umueri community, Chief Joseph Onwachonam, noted that the festival is so important that he travels from his base in Lagos to Umueri to observe the festival.
Water. That's the tribe of Israel. Any place one so now, if you ready special, everyone wants to go.
If I really Abraham is beyond all because I go in my life. All the beyond all for past 5 years in life, I say, but I think today, people are trying to emulate me.
The President General of Umueri community, Chief John Mechie, was conferred with the chieftaincy title of Ezedioramma I, Igbo land at the ceremony, while cultural dances from various groups paying of homage featured during the day.